Hey everyone, Albana from Bulgarian Mama's Cooking here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make puff pastry roses. So if that sounds good, then keep on watching. And before we go further, please support the mama by hitting the subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna start by prepping the dough. This is puff pastry dough that I usually get from Kroger. It's nothing special about it. I just leave it for about 30 minutes out of the fridge so that it can come down to room temperature and it can roll out easier. And then I'm grabbing my pizza cutter and I'm cutting the dough into strips. Now you can go for narrow strips or you can go for wide strips. And in my opinion, the wide strips are easier to shape into roses later on. And the other two ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe are crumbled feta cheese and shredded mozzarella. And then I'm sprinkling just a little tiny bit of the feta and a little tiny bit of the mozzarella longwise from one end to the other. And then shaping this into roses is super easy. You just have to start rolling it from one end to the other. Just make sure that you are holding a little tighter at the bottom so that you can get that shape. And then to give this pastry the ultimate shape of a rose, I'm gonna go ahead and unfold the upper ends of this pastry dough, just like I'm showing in the video. And now doesn't it look like a rose? And then if you don't happen to have muffin liners but you have parchment paper, you can cut it into pieces and use that instead. And here is just a wider strip of the pastry dough. As you can see, they are not very much different. There is some difference in the shape. However, both look really pretty and trust me, no difference in the taste. So for this, you can use your muffin tray. However, if you don't happen to have muffin tray or you just need some extra space, then you can go ahead and use any mold you have. And in my case, I have this mini tart mold and they did the job. And actually, it looks super pretty. Preheat your oven at 350 and then bake them for about 35 to 40 minutes or until they reach this beautiful golden color. So if you go ahead and make this at home, I would love to know about it in the comment section. And that was it for today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want more similar recipes, I will leave links in the description bar. Thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mama is Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, share. If you haven't yet, then subscribe to my channel and I will talk to you very soon. Bye for now.